I heard that you're wondering, what's Deborah doing now? I'm glad that you asked. Today, you guys, we are going to do a small renovation in our kitchen. Now, just in case you're wondering what the difference is between a renovation and a remodel, a lot of times people use those terms interchangeably, but they are different. Renovation is kind of like a refreshing of your space. And one of the things that we're going to do, just as an example of a refreshing, is we're going to change out the knobs on these cabinets versus a remodel. Remodel is more of a construction and type of thing, structural type of thing. And to give you an example of that, we would be ripping out the cabinets if we were doing a remodel. And we are not doing that, you guys. Budget is an issue. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. One of the things, again, that we are looking at in the season of our lives is just to go through our home and just refresh some things because, again, we are looking to the near, hopefully future to retirement. And once we get to that point, I really want it to be on easy street, and so does my husband. And another thing is we are changing seasons too. Fall is rapidly approaching. You guys, we are happy about it because being in the South, it has been horribly hot. So we are definitely looking forward to the cooler temperatures and then the fall garden. Looking forward to the new fruits and veggies that we're going to get out of our garden for the fall and winter. And then also, you guys, the changing of those colors, those vibrant colors that come along with fall. So definitely looking forward to that. So I want to go ahead and get the little small renovations done before we bring in the fall decor. Now, if you watch my spring, summer kitchen decor, in that video, I mentioned the fact that the style of the kitchen is definitely not my style. I like it, but I don't love it. But again, it is totally and completely out of budget to do a full-blown remodel of this space. And I am perfectly content with doing some refreshing things, which is what I am going to be sharing with you today. So the things that we have decided to do in here, just again to give this space a different feel, okay, and a different life to it. We have decided to change basically 3 different areas, and the fourth one's kind of like, something I do seasonal anyway. And those being the pendants over here, okay, which you probably can't see, so I'll put in a little B-roll so you can see the pendants, okay, over this island. We're going to change those out. We're going to change out the faucet. We're going to change out the knobs and handles to the cabinet. And then the fourth thing that I'm going to do, and I'm going to put some cafe curtains in. Again, I'm accustomed to changing the curtains on a seasonal basis, but I want to get something that is more permanent, so I don't have to do that from season to season. But right now, you guys, I am still on the fence as far as doing a Roman shade. That's what I'm leaning towards, but again, I'm kind of on the fence about that. And the reason being is because, as you can see here, with blinds, you can open the blinds, you can lift them up to let in more light, okay, and have a sense of privacy. Whereas with the Roman shades, okay, they're either up or down. If they're up, then your window is completely open, and I'm not that comfortable with that. So that's why I'm on the fence about that. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do to once again to refresh the space is I'm just going to add in some cafe curtains. Now, for the sake of time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a before, okay, of the areas that we're going to change, and then I'm going to show you, and then clear everything out, and then I'm going to show you the after of how things look in contrast to what they look like now as compared to where we are headed. So super excited about it too, you guys, because the things that we're bringing in here are going to be more of the brass feel, brass and black. And I think that that will definitely give like a pop of life to this space. So you guys, without further ado, before I roll into this before look, if you are enjoying this channel, please do remember to give this video a like. If you guys are joining me for the first time, you may or may not know that this is my companion channel to Get Fit with Deborah, where I bring you all of my exercise videos there. And I do still have a ton, not a lot, but a ton of recipes out there. But I decided that I need to split this channel. I did it before. It just didn't take off, okay, the way I wanted it to. So I set it aside. So recently I basically blew the dust off this channel, okay, and I'm giving it a go again. And this is one of my earlier videos that I want to share with you guys. So please do definitely do me the honor, okay, of also subscribing to my channel, sharing my channel too. Okay, if you think there's others out there that are in my age bracket, I am 60 plus, 1 year old right now, that would enjoy the content lifestyle that I am bringing you here. So you guys, without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, guys, our mini Reni is now complete. We love, love, love the end results. So before I reveal it to you, let me just do a mini recap of what we set out to do and what we accomplished. So we set out to refresh this space, being on budget because, again, we are looking to retire in a few years. So saving money, okay, is at the top of our list. But at the same time, we want to love the space that we live in. And what we have was looking a little stale, a little bit uninspired. So we took a look around and made a determination what we could do to refresh the space and make it look more alive, okay? And in taste, in our taste, okay? So we did exactly that by changing the pendants over the island. We changed the knobs to the cabinet. We put in a new kitchen faucet. And then the last thing that I did, which is not a hard change, it's a soft change, and that is we put up cafe curtains to the kitchen window. And one other thing that we ended up doing that I did not mention in the opener is that we added some under cabinet task lighting. You guys, oh my God, they look amazing. So we got some that have actually a white light, and then some that have a warm light. We use the white light in the cabinet. I'm sorry, in the pantry closet, and then these are the warm lights are the ones that we put underneath the cabinet. So you guys, without further ado, the reveal. So now you see why I am smiling so big. I'm telling you guys, this room now has a completely different feel without changing major things, construction things in this space. And that's what I am encouraging you to do as well. If you can't afford to do a major remodel, like take out all the cabinets and replace the appliances and the flooring and things such as that, then once again, just step back, take a look at what you have and make a determination what you can do to refresh it, okay, to make this space once again a place a space that you just want to live in, which is exactly what we did. And we could not be more pleased with the result. So you guys tell me how you feel about it by leaving it in the comments. Please do let me know if what we did here inspired you. Definitely want to hear from you guys. And also, if you know anyone that wants to rejuvenate their space, but they just don't know what to do, please do share this video with them, because hopefully it will in fact give them some ideas and inspire them as far as what they can do to transform their space without breaking their budget. And one of the things that I want to share with you guys are these under cabinet lights. Oh my gosh, absolutely love these. We have been wanting some under cabinet lighting for some time, because again, it's task lighting. So when I work in different areas of this kitchen, because again, if you don't know, I also cook on this channel. So, I'm in different places when I do that, and I never had any task lighting, but now I do. And one of the reasons why is because the old technology called for batteries, okay, that you had to replace. The new technology, you guys, USB, okay? USB rechargeable batteries, okay, installed in these babies, and absolutely love them. And that is just one of the benefits. I will leave the link to these in the description, okay, along with everything else that I sourced in this kitchen for this mini Reni. But a few of the other things that I absolutely love about these is that you can either do on or off. Okay, so they're permanently on, or you can turn them off, or they are motion sensor. You guys, absolutely love that. So, when I'm walking in here, when it's dark and stuff like that, when you're maybe about 10 feet away, these babies come on, okay? And then they will stay on just as long as they sense the motion in the area. And then when it doesn't, I'm sensing emotion in the space for like 15, 20 seconds, they turn off. I've already mentioned the fact, okay, that they are USB rechargeable. And then also there is a little dial up there that you can change the intensity of the lighting as well, you guys. Money well spent as far as I'm concerned. Absolutely love these. And again, I also put some in, we have a little pantry closet, really, really small. Did not have any lighting in there. So we put one of those in there. As soon as we open the door, that light just illuminates the space, you guys. So I wanted to share that with you. So you guys, without further ado, okay, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below, where you'll find other videos such as this. And if you have any suggestions, you guys, as far as what you would like to see as far as being a 40, 50, 60 plus year old like me, and on this journey of life, and what it feels like to be on this journey, then please do leave those suggestions as well. I am here for it. So you guys, thanks once again, and I will see you all right here real soon. And thanks for joining us.